In this video, explain how to enable Microsoft PA in UCI. You can automate the process of synchronizing files, receiving notifications, gathering data, more amongst your favorite apps and services. We'll go log into Power Platform Admin Portal with your organization credentials. Select the required environment and click on Settings. Under Product, click on Behavior. Click on the option Show PA on Forms and go to UCI app and open any entity to see the PA Flow button is available. PA is a service that helps you create automated workflows between your favorite apps and services to synchronize files, get notifications. Follow the below steps to do the same. Log into Power Platform Admin Portal with your organization credentials. Select the required environment and click on Settings. Under Product, click on Behavior and option Show PA. Go to UCI app and open any entity to see the PA Flow button. Once you enable Power Automate to Yes, we cannot disable this setting. Hope you have enabled PA setting in your CRM. In this video, Microsoft Power Platform offers strong actions with to-know coding, allowing Power users and end users to simply automate the process, utilizing pre-existing templates and customizing the activity. Getting back to the topic of this flow being disabled, I recently encountered the following scenario. There are various approaches. You are aware that a specific flow needs to be conducted. An illustration would log into the required PA environment using URL make.powerautomate.com by providing the username and password and click on Create on left hand side, and after choose the scheduled cloud flow, search for flow under New Step Operation, select List My Flows. After select the environment. Add action and now search for filter and select filter array. For the from value, select the value a thought is coming from List My Flows. After in the filter, select the value of flow state coming from List My Flows apostrophe. Take new action as apply to each under new action List My Flows. The final flow should look like this. Before run the flow screen for turn off flow. In Power Automate, in a few of the scenarios we need to option set label. The following show how to take option set label. First we need to create option set field in Dynamics 365. I have created field as shown in the figure. Log into the required Power Automate environment using URL make.powerautomate.com by providing the username and password and click on Create on the left hand side, and after choose the automated cloud flow as shown in the below figure. Click on the trigger as when a row is added, modified and delete, and give the flow name, then click on Create as shown in the below figure. Take the change type and table name and scope as shown in the below figure. New step and take the compose action and click on Inputs and select second tab Expression and type Trigger Outputs. Body/CRM demo_type_ label, and update as shown in the below figure. Save the flow and create or modify a record in Dynamics 365. Then the flow is trigger and run success as shown in the below figure. In this video, the Power Automate to return a Uniform Resource Identifier URI, encoded version for a string by replacing URL unsafe characters with escape characters. We can use either encode URI. Log into the required Power Automate environment using URL make.powerautomate.com by providing the username and password and click on Create on the left hand side as shown in the below figure, and after manually trigger a flow, give the flow name and create. Take the initialize variable is used to hold the URL that needs to be encoded. So provide the name as URL and type as string and value as https://test4 encode and decode. Expression and type, encode URI component variables URL, or URI component variables URI. Here encode URI component is the function and variables, URI, is the variable valid operation, and name decode URI component, and then under inputs navigate to expression tab, decode URI component output set _encode _value. Click on test flow. In this video, the Power Automate, in a few of the scenarios we need to generate a random number of examples to prepare a unique name with text and a combination of unique numbers so as to provide quick test. Log into the required Power Automate environment using URL make.powerautomate.com by providing the username and password and click on Create on the left hand side as shown in the below figure, and after choose the click on the trigger as manually trigger a flow, and give the flow name, then click on Create as shown in the figure below. Click on plus new step and take the compose action. Rename compose title with rand function and click on Inputs and select second tab Expression and type rand and observe it. Expect two parameters. First one min value with integer type, Second is max value of integer type we can pass as shown in the below. Rand have the following syntax: rand min value, integer, max value, integer, so provide the value as an example, rand, 1, 1999. Save and test flow after clicking on Run Flow and Done and click on OK shown in the below figure.